Self-heating lunchbox. The Buddy Electric Lunchbox is a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy a warm meal at the office or on the go. Crafted with stainless steel, this vibrant green lunchbox is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also durable, ensuring it withstands daily use. With a generous capacity of 1.5 liters, it provides ample space for a satisfying meal, making it suitable for adults on busy schedules. The design is tailored for practicality, featuring a compact shape reminiscent of a car, which makes it easy to transport. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry without feeling bulky. The dimensions of 9.4 int by 6.5 by 4.6 inches allow it to fit comfortably in most bags, enhancing its portability. One of the standout features of the Buddy Electric Lunchbox is its versatility. It includes both a 12-volt 24-volt car adapter power cord and a 110-volt home adapter power cord, ensuring that you can heat your meals whether you're in your car, at your desk, or at home. Additionally, the inclusion of a 0.4-liter plastic fruit container is a thoughtful touch, allowing for the easy transport of snacks or sides.